Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look how to make a alternator. Let us first create a new diffuse scene, erase the ground, turn on the grid. Now first of all, let us make a marble. Usually I use make a marble with the radius 0.25 meters. Now next, let us make a square with length 2 meters and breadth 3 meters. Okay. Now let us create another circle with radius 0.4 meters, 1.4 meters. Okay. Now let us move clone the circle. Now move the circle such that there's it should be exactly like 0.25 meters above this square. I mean above the bottom of the rectangle. Move the clone also here. Now let us adjust these circles. Okay. Adjust these circles so that this left side of this right circle and right side of this left circle is exactly on this line. You can see it here. I am pointing it here. Now let us select select both of these circles. Now after go to combine shapes, go to subtract. Now let us erase these circles. Now go to this erase option. There we are going to erase this top layer like this because we don't want this. Okay. Okay, let us now make a axle. It should be exactly the center in the lengthwise. It should be exactly in the middle, and up breadthwise it should be exactly 0.25 meter, like here. That will be exactly here. You just click it. Okay. Now first of all, let us turn this alternator by 15 degrees because usually that's how this thing's turned. Now make a square below it so that to prevent this alternator to turn indefinitely. Move this exactly here. Now make a clone of it. Now turn this alternator 15 degrees the other side. Adjust this square. Now we have to select both of these squares. Go to geometry actions. There you have to put blue to background so this thing doesn't fall down. Now you can select all these of these things. Right click it. Go to appearance. Change the color to black. Now what you have to do is we are going to go click this alternative here. Go to material. There you have to increase the friction to infinity and reduce the restitution to 0. To test it, let us first make a sorter. I already said how to make it. I am going to take it from this component. Move this here so that this line is exactly above here. For so that these marbles don't come here exactly here and bounce off like that. Now let us make some rectangles. Now select both of these rectangles. Go to appearance, put it black. Go to geometry actions, click blue to background. Let us make some marbles with 0.25 meters length, radius I mean. Make copies of these, around 6 of them. Now let us test it. Okay, we see that the the mass is too great for these marbles to turn this alternator. For that, what you have to do is make it reduce this mass of this alternator to around 1 kg. Now let us test it. We can see it's working, and that's it. So that's it. Now all these things have to be made. Now what you have to do is go select all these, including the squares. Don't select this sorter. Erase this. Now go to components and click and hold this, put it here. There you can name this as alternator, and that's it. Click enter. Alternator. The alternator is ready. Now that's it. Now you can just the alternator is complete. Now what you can do is you can just click subscribe to this channel. You can also see other tutorial videos. You can also click subscribe to another channel, that is Algodoo. You can just search it and subscribe it, where I'll upload marble races after completing this tutorial series. And like this video and comment if you want, and share this to everyone. And that's it. And I'm leaving. And bye bye.